right, hey, welcome to the Game Chief. We got game number 4 tonight. This is amazing. All right, we got a Transformer TCG. I'm David. I'm joined here with Sergio on the table. Enrique on the side. And yeah, we got some more Transformers. So I'm trying out another jank deck I got here. It's white. It's Jazz, Hound, and Mirage. It's something Enrique played one time when we were doing a match because I built them. And he did pretty well with it. So I'm going to see what I can do against this monster across from me. Please share with me your destruction.
It's just thrust going into Arcee or Grimlock, depending what the target is.
Oh, and that's going to hurt because of Grimlock's ability and Arcee's ability. Lovely. This is going to hurt. Evens or odds, my friend?
Evens.
Okay.
All right.
Gross. 3, 4. Draw. I will look this time. And Enrique, this could be a good thing that I have in my hand.
Okay.
I'd like to show it to you. I will flip. Yeah, I'll flip Hound and attack with Jazz.
Okay.
And Jazz is going to go for Arcee. 1 and 2. And 1 and 2 for a grand total of 3.
2, none. She's going to go ahead and take 2.
Oh, this looks like an orange deck coming at me.
Oh,
draw. Man. This is going to be so gross.
Transform Arcee.
Okay.
I'll have...
Bye, Jazz.
Yeah. I'll have...
Oh, nice. Do it.
Power Punch onto Arcee. Oh. And... do I need to... yeah. Thrust Arcee into Jazz.
Oof.
4, 1, 2. The bold. 2, 3, 4. Total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So that's 9. So he's not dead. So that's good. 1 and 2, and then 1 and 2. So I would take 2, but you're doing Pierce, so he takes 9. All you need was one more somehow. Okay, draw. We got Arcee to kill. Okay, should I do it? Doesn't really help me here. All right, so we're gonna
Leap of Faith.
boy. Who's first? Let's go Mirage. Let's do Mirage. Yeah, that's smart right now. All right, Brainstorm
Okay.
into a Leap of Faith.
All right.
So into a Rapid Conversion. So we'll flip Hound and don't.
Look at the leap.
Yeah, but this is from the leap.
Right.
So
I'm
Rapid
going
Conversion
Hound.
from the leap. So I discard. So if you do, I get to draw 2 cards.
All right. Second leap in there.
Second leap,
Okay.
Force Field. We'll put it on Mirage.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then second Brainstorm, right? We will Plasma Burst Arcee for 2.
Yep. Down.
I did it!
That's
Although
a
I
kill.
could have done another Brainstorm and 2 more
You
actions.
should have. Why didn't you?
I don't know, because I'm not you. I don't get to do this very often. And yeah, Mirage is going to go for Arcee.
Yeah, for sure.
And he's going to go 1 and 2, and then 1 and 2, and he's going to do 5 and untap.
I will discard Supercharge for the Bashing Shield.
So you block 1, you take 4.
Yep.
I just
Go
need
to
one.
8.
I don't think there is orange in this deck.
And go ahead and draw.
Go ahead and kill Jazz. Because he untaps.
Damn, Jazz is the only one that's tapped. Yeah.
It's got some tricks. That was cool. That was so much fun. I'm very happy, everyone. I got to play Leap for something. I could have done a lot more.
I'll just transform Arcee, heal herself. Oh, no. So, even if you flip the 2,
If I flip the 2, he's taking 2 and
just
dying.
to it, and
Yeah.
then even if I have Grimlock,
That's the
it's
max. He
only
can take.
1.
Yep.
Right.
Yeah, only 1 transfers
Yeah, I'll
over.
just kill Arcee. See if you whiff next time. And play a Bashing Shield onto Grimlock, getting rid of the force field.
Oh, fair enough.
And Grimlock will go into Jazz.
Okay. In Dino mode too.
For
7?
7.
Yeah, he is mucho dead. Oh, it's blanks anyways. Alright.
Should have transformed them down.
So
Over
now
some
this is
blanks.
good for me in a way. Alright, so draw 1. Oh, this is actually good. Okay. So we're gonna brainstorm
Nice.
Second.
into a I still function. Bring Jazz back.
All right.
And then second one, we're gonna give Jazz a surprise attack. So he's got Pierce
All right.
3. He's going to,
No, it's cool.
I'm gonna flip Hound
Okay.
and then attack with Jazz for Arcee.
All right.
So I go 1. Wait, do I have an upgrade? No, I don't. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. So that could have been my Mirage.
2.
3 Pierce.
2. Yeah.
So I'll move all that down here so it's just out of the way. And then we'll go, I'm tingling. Let's go Mirage for Grimlock.
Okay.
So 1, 2, and then 1, 2. So 5, and he untaps.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1 for a total of 3. So I take 2, right?
Yep. And then he's going to attack
Oh,
again.
1 because of this.
Yep. He's going to attack again.
For sure.
Grimlock. 1, 2 for just 5. Look at that. See, I almost went him first.
2, and then white pip. So
Just 5.
3. So I take 2.
Okay. And Hound will go into Grimlock as well. 1, 2, and then he's a 5 as well.
So I take
2
2 again. 5.
Yep. Jazz is dead. I don't know why this is over there. And all this goes away, and we untap. It's on you.
Draw. Going to transform Grimlock.
We're going to be doing technical decks instead of hitting decks. I'm more of an aggro player, but that was fun.
Then I'll go ahead give him a flamethrower.
Yeah, fair enough. That's what
Then
Dino's
play
like.
reckless charge, targeting thrust.
Hmm?
And
Wait, what? You reckless charge on thrust?
yeah, because he gets the +4. So when he taps, he's still going to give him +7.
I don't think that works.
Yeah.
Because it's not his, so it has to be his attack ability.
One of your
Let me see.
characters gets +4.
It's like grenade launcher.
Does-
Yeah, it's
does it
pretty
work?
much
People
on
still
top.
get damage, so
Oh,
it's
fair
a
enough.
grenade launcher.
That's cool. I
And
didn't think about that play.
Grimlock will go into when this attack or defense
They're both the same.
first turn, but he gets plus.
If he gets a white, he'll get a defense.
This fool untaps, so we'll go into Mirage.
+7.
So 13,
Yeah, this is probably it for Mirage.
14, 15, 16, 17 bold, 18, 19 white, 20, 21.
He got 21. Most I got is 22. All right, 1, 2, and 1 and 2. I block 3 from
Okay,
21.
so 18 and 6 moves to Hound.
And 6 goes over to Hound.
End of turn,
Oh,
thrust
wait.
takes 3.
Hold on, I got to reshuffle first before I put those on there. Yeah, Mirage is dead. Hound. Hound is a beast, though. Gross. All right, now draw one. Yeah, sure, actually. So he has 3 damage on him. All right, let's go attack drone.
For sure.
And I played another one, but I don't have another one. And then we'll surprise attack him.
Alright, so
Oh,
he's
Pierce
got
3.
5 Pierce 3.
Mm-hmm. And Grimlock or thrust. Man, that's tempting to go for thrust. Thrust is always a good finisher. I know this. Yeah, we'll go Grimlock.
Alright.
Kind of have to. 1, 2, and 1, 2. So he's a 5, 6, Pierce 3.
1, 2. Shuffle. And nothing, just 3.
6, Pierce 3, so 3. Yeah.
Go to 8.
And untap. Your turn.
Alright.
Do it again. Jeez.
Erratic Lightning. Thrust.
Oh, see, there you go.
And
Nice.
supercharge on Grimlock. And
So
go at it again.
So bold 5.
6. Yeah. 6, 12.
Bye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should have been 7 because I didn't flip a white. 1, 2, and then the bolt 2, and then the bolt 3. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
All right, 1, 2, and then 2 for the white. So I block 3 from your 19. I take 16 and die. That's gross, dude. All right, screw Arcee. We're going for Grimlock this time around. Okay, here we go. I will go first again.
All right.
I'm not afraid of going first with this one. Gives me an extra play on Mirage. 2 extra plays on Mirage. Alright. I probably didn't get a lucky first draw like I did that one time. Alright, we'll flip Hound, attack with Jazz, and Jazz will go for... Jazz will go for Arcee. So,
All right.
1, 2. So 3.
1. So block.
Takes 1. Now I'll look.
And draw.
That's still not bad, actually. It's not that good. Not that good.
Jaws of Steel onto Grimlock. And it's still just bad. Transform Arcee and go into Jazz.
So right now 4 pierce 4.
4. Pip for 7.
2, 1, and 2. So I block 2, but I take 7. Or I got the 2 whites, but I still take 7. All right, draw 1. Now it's a full play again. So we will. Man, I really much want to kill Arcee. That's the problem here. Well, I have to go for Arcee or thrust. I'm not going for thrust. All right, let's go. Attack drone on Mirage.
All right.
No, sorry. Let me redo that.
Yep.
Attack drone on Hound. Flip Mirage.
Okay.
Leap Hound into battle, and Hound will go for Arcee.
Okay. So he's already at an 8, right?
Yeah. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Now he's at a 9.
1, 2, 1, 2.
No, now he's at an 8. So 5, 6, 7. Oh, 9. Yeah, 9.
9. I block 2.
Wow.
So go to 8. Draw. Flamethrower onto Grimlock. Transform Grimlock. And yeah, just go ahead and go into Hound.
Hound? Okay.
Yeah, right. Cause I don't have any pierce. 1, 2, white pip, and then
4.
bolt 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12.
All right. 1, 2, and he blocks 3 of your 12. Takes 9.
And I'll replace the bashing shield for improvised shield.
All right. Draw 1. Oh man, that's tempting too. Man, all this tempting stuff. Give him debility and crystal.
Dang.
Yeah, I need it right now. Let's. Yeah, we're gonna keep Hound there. What does this do? That's only for him. All right, so Mirage into Grimlock.
Yep.
We're gonna scrap Jaws of Steel.
To hand, right?
Hmm?
It returns to hand?
No, to your hand, yeah.
Okay.
So 1, 2, and then 1 and 2. So he untaps.
2,
So
I
5.
take 3.
Okay, and then he's going again for
All right.
Grimlock. Well, actually, Arcee. 1,
Okay.
2, and 1 and 2. So a grand total of 5.
None. So she's gonna go ahead and die.
And we untap.
I'll draw for turn.
Ooh, Grimlock action.
Jaws of Steel onto Grimlock.
If I double attacked him, I would have put a bolt. But the Arcee still would have been live, so that's all right.
I don't know if I should go big or go home. So how much life do you have left? 3 plus 3, 6, 18. I don't think I can do 18 in one attack.
18.
Well, he can only spill over to 1.
Yeah.
Or he chooses.
He chooses who to spill
where
over.
they go, yeah. I was probably going to go
Okay,
on Mirage because he's healthy.
I'm curious, so I'll piece through Tyranny.
Wow, okay.
So I'll take an extra turn and
So that's
Grimlock.
not good right now because your extra turn will be nothing.
I don't get to untap?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's only good when you have 3 white still remaining.
Oh, okay. Is it cool if I take
yeah,
it
put him
back?
back.
Yeah. Damn, I was thinking a second attack.
I
That's lame.
Yeah, because you don't get to untap and
Yeah.
re-attack. Yeah, that's the only downside.
So Grimlock will go into
And that card belongs with Insecticons.
Hound.
Okay.
4, 9. 1, 2, bold 4.
You probably didn't even need to do the whole thrust. You might have been able to save thrust for his own
10,
attack.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Only 16? Yeah, okay. 1, 2, and 1 and 2. So he's a 5. Oh, excuse me, he's a 3. Blocks 4 from what? 16?
16.
Yeah.
So 12.
So 3 go up, so 13 goes somewhere else.
9. Because you
9.
take 3. Yeah.
I gotta do it. I need 2 characters.
Alright.
Alright, draw 1. I don't know if this is gonna help me. Play Pep Talk. Draw 2. 1, 2. Yeah, that doesn't help me at all. Damn. Should have done that, then that. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Security console and Mirage. And that's it. We'll flip Jazz. So he gets Pierce 2 if I flip 2 whites. So he'll go for Grimlock. 1, 2. He doesn't even get it. So 3.
3.
Yeah. Damn. All right, Mirage. So he gets to plan 1 when he. Oh, defense.
Yeah.
God damn it. 1, 2.
Again to Grimlock.
1, 2. Yeah, Grimlock. He untaps for 5.
2. And
So you take 3.
3. Go up to 6.
And we'll go again. 1. 2, and 1 and 2. So he doesn't untap, but he's 5. There's
Okay.
that's the function.
1, 2.
3 more.
Go to 9. Yeah, I'll leave
And you
it right
kill them
there.
both.
And draw. I'll go ahead and
It's a good little combo too.
put a
Grimlock's
mounted
ability.
missile on him, on his utility slot.
Sure.
And then supercharge Grimlock.
Mm-hmm.
And both at Mirage. You get to plan.
Oh yeah, I do. It doesn't really do me any good though. So it's just I draw a card and I put one.
Put one
on top.
back on top.
All right.
Alright, so 11, 1, 2, white pip, and then bold 2, and then bold 3.
And you went on Mirage.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
6, 7, 8, 9, 15, 20.
Nice. Yeah. It didn't matter because he's not in his car mode, so you could have.
True. Would have been better at him.
So I block a measly 3 from your 20, take 17.
17.
So
3 here.
and then the crap load there.
Oh, shit.
Nice, dude. Very cool. That is pretty cool. That's yeah. That against another aggro deck, I think it would go down
Yeah, I think that this one's a little too slow.
because as soon as you're all tapped and we'll just aggro it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not slow. It's just you have to beef the hits.
Yeah.
But yeah, all right. Hey, thanks for watching. That was a fun little match. Got wasted in what, 2 rounds? Yeah, 2 rounds. You got some cool combos off. I was pretty happy. But yeah, subscribe to our channel, like our page on Facebook, check out the store, get your orders in, and thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.
You got to play a good leap of faith.
Mhm.